pleasure to have you.
Thank you.
सलीम अंकल, आप इस इंडस्ट्री का बहुत ही बड़ा हिस्सा रहे हैं. Would you say that the industry is a very tough place to be in?
मेरे ख्याल से कोई भी इंडस्ट्री में जहाँ तक मेरा नॉलेज है और वट एवर लिमिटेड नॉलेज आई हैव, कि एक भी शख्स मैंने ऐसा नहीं देखा कि जिसने कभी उतार नहीं देखा हो या जिसने कोई बैड पैच नहीं देखा हो.
लेकिन आपके लाइफ में जैसे कि आपकी जोड़ी जो थी सलीम जावेद जोड़ी, हिट जोड़ी जैसे कि लोग कहते थे, वो टूट गया. लाइक व्हाट वाज द रीजन फॉर दैट?
देखिए, रीज़न तो जावेद साहब को ज़्यादा मालूम होगा, इसलिए कि ही इज़ द वन हु सेड इट दैट आई वांट टू सेपरेट एंड आई वांट टू फंक्शन सेपरेटली, दैट ही मस्ट बी नोइंग. बट एनीवे, नाउ व्हेन आई लुक बैक आफ्टर सच ए लॉन्ग टाइम एंड लुक एट इट फिलोसफिकली, आई सेड कि हर चीज़ के ऊपर एक एक्सपायरी डेट होती है. थोड़ा सा गम इस बात का है कि वो थोड़ा सा प्री मैच्योर्ड हुआ.
What happened, Salim uncle? Everyone seems to have this great pairing which suddenly splits up. Is it pressure? Is it expectations? Is it ego? What do you think?
नहीं, in our case ईगो जैसी तो कोई बात थी नहीं. In our case money was never a problem. कहीं ना कहीं ये प्रॉब्लम होती है कि कोई औरत बीच में थी या कोई आ गया था कि बीवी इंटरफियर करती हैं. दैट वाज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. 1 मिनट के अंदर जो दो लोग साथ में काम करते थे, या बिल्कुल भाइयों की तरह या एक फैमिली की तरह या दोस्तों की तरह या ऑलमोस्ट बाप बेटों की तरह काम करते थे, बिकॉज आई वाज वेरी प्रोटेक्टिव टूवर्ड्स हिम लाइक अ फादर. वो विद इन 2 मिनट या विद इन 1 मिनट वो राइवल्स हो गए और वो कॉम्पिटिटर हो गए. द मोमेंट ही सेड इट कि आई वांट टू separate myself from you and function separately, I thought that I couldn't hear him properly. So again I asked him to repeat it. He said मैं अलग होना चाहता हूँ. I said जावेद साहब, ये आपने कोई 2 मिनट पहले तो सोचा नहीं होगा. He said कि no, I have been thinking for some time. So I got up, I shook hands and I said, God bless you, take care of yourself. And I walked away.
And it was rather unfortunate, Salim uncle, because the industry, I mean, as such was, I mean, you were such a hit parent, it was such a wonderful combination, but a lot of choices that have been made in your life have not been very conventional. जैसे कि your decision to marry Helen auntie, for example, people, you know, reacted very strongly to that too, but that was something that grew from strength to strength. लेकिन एक ज़माना था जब it wasn't very harmonious, you must agree, to go against the tide,
my
so to
decision
speak.
to marry Helen was not because I was very disillusioned by my marriage या मैं कोई परेशान था. ये कोई ऐसे कोई spontaneous या ऐसे कोई नहीं था कि चलो हेलेन से चल के शादी कर लो.
Right.
I took a long time and you would be surprised, I was the first person who told Salma that you know, Helen is there in my life. Before she could hear it from gossip magazines or before she could hear it from anybody, I was the first person.
सलीम अंकल, आज जो है आपके डिसीजंस एक्सेप्ट हो गए हैं. द वर्ल्ड सोसाइटी सेज सलीम अंकल इज वंडरफुल, इट्स अ वंडरफुल हार्मोनियस फैमिली सेटल सिचुएशन. लेकिन उस वक्त एट दैट टाइम, बिकॉज योर चिल्ड्रन वर स्मॉल, हाउ डिड योर चिल्ड्रन रिएक्ट? आई वांट टू नो टू सम.
Obviously, I mean, children were very small children, didn't have much choice. And
but do you remember it clearly?
Children probably were always with the mother side, but I must give credit to Salma for that. When I told her, obviously she never came to me and shook hands and said, what a wonderful thing you have done,
naturally.
Congratulations. Of course we had our problems.
Of course.
But for a very short time. And after that, everything was accepted. Now when I go back and
what about your children? How did your children react? I want to know.
I told my children at that time, when they were very young, that you will not understand now, but later when you grow up you will understand it. But I want to tell you one thing, that I have got another person in my life. I have married her, and I want to tell you one thing, that I do not expect anything from you. I expect you to love her as much as you love your mother, but I want you to give her the same respect. When I look back, ये चीज़ें किसी टेक्निक से नहीं चलती हैं. You have to be very honest about it. You have to commit your feelings. You have to commit. I could have gone on with Helen and probably she would not have objected to it or she would have suffered it. But my religion had given me a sanction of marrying again, and I wanted to give her a status. That's why I married her.
And I think that was a wonderful thing to do. But Salim uncle, I want to know honestly from you, What kind of a father do you think you are?
That's a question we should be asked to the children. But I personally feel I have never indulged in any kind of false humility, because I genuinely feel that false humility is worse than conceit. Every time Salman has made a mistake, now people talk about it, people criticize. What did they expect me to say? No, he deserves it. Because love is unconditional. I cannot say, Salman, if you have to be perfect in this thing, or Arbaz, you have to do like this thing, then only I love you. They are my children. I love them, and I would defend him. I would protect him. But at the same time, sometimes I do not approve what he does. I give you an example. He had some problem with Subhash Ghai, and there was some unpleasantness in the night in the party. I was having my tea in the morning, and he came and he says, "Ke Daddy, ऐसा ऐसा हो गया, रात को सुभाष घई से हाथापाई हो गई और ये हुआ." I said, "क्या था प्रॉब्लम?" "कुछ नहीं, ऐसे ही हो गया." I said, "Are you very happy about it?" He says, "I'm feeling very bad about it." I says, "Do you also feel that a major factor was drinking?" He said, "Yes, I was a little high." I said, "Just go ahead, pick up phone, call him up, go and say sorry, and see a new chapter is started." And they are very good friends, and they are doing now a film together.
I believe you've done the same thing also with Vivek Oberoi and Salman Khan. Is that the role you
Pooja,
play, Salim Uncle, peacemaker in the family?
पूजा क्या है, देखिए, इमोशनल प्रॉब्लम्स का कोई रैशनल सोल्यूशन नहीं होता. या तो इमोशन शुड डाई डाउन, या यू शुड ग्रो ओवर द इमोशन. वेदर इट इज सुरेश ओबेरॉय और वेदर इट सलमान, दे विल ग्रो ओवर इट समटाइम्स, एंड फाइनली व्हेन दे ग्रो एंड व्हेन दे लुक बैक, विल से क्या स्टूपिड बातें थी, किसके लिए झगड़ा कर रहे थे, किसके लिए लड़ रहे थे, कोई और ले गया, कोई और चला गया, कोई काम चला गया, ये वहीं के वहीं है. सो दिस इज नथिंग. और
And they listen to you, Salim Uncle, Arbaz, Sohail, Salman. They're all these big, strapping boys. Do they listen to you? Something?
अगर हम साथ में होते हैं ना, तो हमें किसी कंपनी की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. इतना हम मज़ा करते हैं आपस में. मतलब अभी छोटी सी बात थी कि अभी अरबाज के लिए मैं किस्सा सुना रहा था. मैंने अरबाज वॉज 7-8 year old बॉय, तो गाना गाता था. अभी भी उनको गाने का शौक़ है वैसे, और गाना गाता था. तो मैं चाहता था कि वो क्रिकेटर बने, तो मैं उसको ले जाता था खार जिम खाना, प्रैक्टिस कराता था. तो वन डे ही आस्क्ड मी, "डैडी, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, आई शुड बिकम अ क्रिकेटर और अ सिंगर?" आई सेड, "अरबाज, यू शुड बिकम अ क्रिकेटर." ही सेड, "हैव यू सीन मी प्लेइंग?" आई सेड, "नो, आई हैव हर्ड यू सिंगिंग एक्चुअली."
Salim Uncle, you have 5 children,
Yeah.
3 boys and 2 girls. Who do you love the most?
ऐसा नहीं होता. कभी मोहब्बत तो सबसे बराबरी की होती है. कभी इस पर ज़्यादा अटेंशन जाता है, कभी उस पर ज़्यादा जाता है. ज़्यादातर होता यह है कि जो बच्चा ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम में मुब्तला हो, या जो ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम में हो, उस पर माँ बाप का ज़्यादा ध्यान जाता है. तो इस वक्त चूँकि सलमान ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम में है, तो उसके ऊपर एक ज़्यादा अटेंशन है कि ही इज़ बीन गोइंग थ्रू ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स.
At the end of the day, stories are written, news reports are, being flashed on television. How has the family reacted to all of this? Have you all said we don't give a damn, or does it hurt?
देखिए, फैमिली का एक एटीट्यूड है कि मैं हमेशा अपने बच्चों से कहा करता था कि कभी कभी ऐसे ही ड्रिंक व्रिंक लेके जब मैं भी कभी अपनी तारीफ़ में इंडल्ज करता हूँ, तो मैं ये कहता था बच्चों से कि तुम्हारे फादर में बहुत दम है, ही कैन लिव विदाउट ऑक्सीजन. मैं बच्चों से कहता था. तो एक दिन मुझे इंजेक्शन का रिएक्शन हो गया, और मैं बहुत ही सीरियस था, और मुझे लीलावती लेके गए, एंड आई वाज इन ICU. तो बच्चों को अलाउ किया मिलने के लिए. तो अरबाज मेरे पास आया, तो मेरे ऊपर ऑक्सीजन का मास्क लगा हुआ था. तो मेरे कान में आके कहता है, "डैडी, शैल आई पुल इट आउट, बिकॉज यू कैन लिव विदाउट ऑक्सीजन." तो अरे,
Are your sons like you? Are your sons, क्या लोग आपसे कहते हैं, your sons are just like you? Have they inherited your spirit? Have they inherited your attitude according to you, Salim Uncle?
थोड़ा सा तो देखिए, बच्चों में एक कहीं ना कहीं एक जेनेटिकली भी असर आता है. उसके अलावा जो माँ बाप से सुनते हैं उसका भी आता है. तो डेफिनेटली बच्चों के ऊपर ये तो होता है.
I wonder how much of you really is in Salman. And this question we've asked people that know the two of you. How much of Salim Uncle do you see in Salman? And this is what they had to say.
सलीम भाई का और भाभी का पूरा हाथ दिखता है हर बच्चे में, और जो अच्छाइयाँ हैं, जो मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि सलमान एक दिल से बहुत ही अच्छे इंसान है, और वो कहीं ना कहीं पे सलीम भाई का हाथ उसमें बहुत है। सी सलीम भाई इज़ अ वेरी प्रिंसिपल्ड मैन, एक आदमी जो अपनी ज़िंदगी प्रिंसिपल्स के हिसाब से रहना चाहते हैं, तो जाहिर है कि वो चीज़ें आपको सलमान में दिखती हैं।
I've seen him through situations which would generally shake up people completely, and he has the capacity to take it in his stride. So I think somewhere Salman also has that in him. He faces problems in a year which people don't face in a lifetime.
Salman has taken from Salim uncle that he never takes advantage. He has seen to it कि सारी फिल्में जो भी करे वक्त पे पहुँचे, वक्त पे कंप्लीट करे, और मुझे लगता है इसमें सलीम अंकल का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ के वन थिंग विच आई वुड लाइक टू टेल सलीम अंकल इज़ दैट अ लायन हैज़ गिवन बर्थ टू अ लायन.
आई थिंक काफ़ी कुछ सिमिलैरिटीज़ है अंकल और सलमान में. एंड first being very recently both uncle and son were bald. That is the first similarity that comes to mind. Lekin I think Salman is a chip of the old block, literally, and I mean it's uncanny when you see them. It's it's scary to see how similar they all are.
Thank you.
So, Salim uncle, which one quality of yours do you wish that your children inherit from you?
Patience and the anger management. Anger, I personally feel, is a very, very good emotion if it is directed rightly. I mean, anger was of course a genetic problem, and children have got it, and they will also learn to control it because it is a damaging thing. They know it, and especially after drinks. They should learn कि अगर है भी शौक भी है तो उसको पे अगर कंट्रोल नहीं है तो they should उसको फिर निकाल दे ज़िंदगी से.
Well, Salim uncle, there are some things that you wish and there are some things that you know. I have been told that you are a firm believer in astrology. So would you like to share with us predictions that you have made, say, for Salman?
I have come to believe that astrology is a definite science. And I have indulged in a lot of things. I am a homeopath also. I study homeopathy. I read homeopathy. You will be surprised. I am a pilot also. So I come to believe in astrology because when I had my father used to believe in it, and there were certain predictions which were absolutely, I mean, so correct you can't believe it.
So what are your predictions for Salman?
Salman will be in and out of this problem. Salman, it is in his kundli, it is in his fate. Salman will be, yeah.
When, Salim uncle?
No,
when?
but 2009 onwards, he has got a much better time. And Salman's marriage is also predicted. If it happens, it will happen in a year or two. Otherwise, chances are very remote.
Well, Salim uncle, I think that's wonderful. Salman should hopefully be married in a year or two. In 3 years, his problems will be over. In the meantime, you can use your skills as a homeopath to give him medicines to calm his temper down. And of course, if anyone gets into trouble, you can always fly them out of it. So I think that's just perfect.
Thank you
Salim
very
uncle, thank you so much for being on this show. It's been really, really wonderful.
Thank you very much.
And Salim uncle, I want to know, from these hands, I want to receive what you have got for us. I believe that you have got us something for our auction.
I used to be very fond of cricket. I used to, in my childhood till school standard, I used to play good cricket. एक क्रिकेट का अभी भी बहुत शौक है, फॉलो करता हूँ. और किसी ने फैन ने ये दिया है, ये बैट उस पे नाम करके दिया है, सलीम खान.
Yes.
और इस पे
ये किसने साइन किया है?
ये एक बड़े भाई फैन थे मेरे, उन्होंने लिखवा के दिया है. और इस पे शोएब अख्तर, द वर्ल्ड्स फास्टेस्ट बॉलर, उनकी इस पे सिग्नेचर है.
Oh, Salim uncle, how wonderful. Thank you so much, Salim uncle. So all of you out there, Salim Uncle fan, Salman Khan fan. This is Arbaz's friends who've got this wonderful cricket bat which has Salim Uncle's name on it. It's been signed by Shoaib Akhtar. You can bid for this on our website, which is www.zoom-television.com, and you can start bidding for this bat. Thank you so much, Salim Uncle. The proceeds of this will go to charity, and thank you so much for this gesture. It is very touching, and it's been so wonderful having you on this show.
Thank you. Take care of yourself.